In this video tutorial, I will show you a brand new affiliate marketing strategy that you can use from anywhere in the world. It is suitable for newbies and beginners who have some prior or no knowledge about affiliate marketing. With the step-by-step guide in this video, you can exactly copy and paste to make over $3,000 every single week. If you're ready for this and want me to walk you through it step by step, please like the video right now. Today, we're going to be using CPA Grip, one of the best market platforms available. Let's break it down first. For those who haven't heard of the CPA market before, what is CPA? CPA refers to cost per action, implying that you will get paid whenever someone performs an action on this website, CPA Grip, with inputting an email being the most common action. For each person who enters their email and registers for a giveaway, we will get payment. Consequently, you should visit cpagrip.com. You simply need to sign up by entering your first name, last name, nationality, and the remaining information after clicking the register button in the upper right corner. The best part about this is that it works globally, so no matter what country you're in, CPA Group will work in your country and you will get automatically approved. We're attempting to publish it on a website. Therefore, all you need to do now is choose the website, accept all of these terms right here, and hit register. I'm going to create a brand new account right away and guide you folks step by step through the entire process. Once your account has been set up, simply log in to move on to step number 2. You'll see this dashboard, which is the CPA Grip dashboard as soon as you log in. The first thing I want to show you guys in this area is this small section around here, which is the public chat. It's kind of like a large community of various affiliates that are generating money on the site. You may advertise deals that have a high conversion rate and earn some compensation. The thing you'll notice when you get here is that it automatically changes the country you're currently in. In my case, it reads United Kingdom. But the major country I've observed to be the most effective on CPA Grip is the United States. So I suggest you guys change to that. For instance, and see, this one is a gift card. They're giving away a $500 Evo gift card and they're paying out $2.05. Remember, I said earlier, in order to make money in the CPA market, we need to get people to enter their emails. You'll notice a wide variety of offerings as you scroll down. The most important thing is to only pay attention to the email zip submit ones. We want to utilize the video making promotional strategy to get the offer marketed. For this technique, you don't even have to record your own voice or any YouTube videos. I want to demonstrate to you how you can practically generate free traffic to this affiliate link by copying and pasting content into a website. In order to use the affiliate link later on in this lesson, I want you guys to leave this page open for the time being. Let's go to stage 3. If you guys don't know what Pexels is, it is one of the best places to come and get non-copyright images and videos that you can share online for free without running into any legal issues. The website's address is pexels.com, and then you just really have to go to the video section and choose the video to use. You will see different stock videos of people counting money and anything related to money. Find a high quality video that we can utilize again in the future to increase traffic. Assuming we choose one of the videos here, you can download it for free by clicking on it, as you can see here on the right side. I'm going to do that right now, as you can see from the fact that it has already been downloaded to my computer. After that, what you want to do is go to Google and enter in anything along the lines of these helpful recommendations for making more money. For instance, I'm offering a free PayPal gift card. Then you would find an article that is related to your offer. We're going to come here to Google and find the article that has something to do with the offer we're promoting. After searching on Google, I picked out this article right away. It's definitely the top one on the list and consists of 34 different ways to earn additional money. Alright, we're moving on to the next step, which is step number 4. For this step, you guys need to go to this website called Canva. One of the greatest benefits of Canva is that it offers a ton of templates that you can use for practically every social network account, and you can even use it to edit movies and photographs. So this is a pretty strong tool right here, and the best part is that it's completely free. From here, you should move your cursor to the upper right corner and choose Custom Size, and then we'll add 1080 by 1920 from this point on. The canvas that appears when you click Create New Design will be the same size as a TikTok or YouTube size video, which is exactly what we need. From here, you just want to drag and drop the video that we previously downloaded from Pexels that we can use for free. Do this by simply doing as shown. The video is exactly the same as the one I downloaded before. To increase it and make it fit the canvas, simply grasp its corners and do so. If I press play, you can see how this is done. Once it's finished, it's exactly the same stuff that we just downloaded earlier. Here's where the magic happens for us to make money online. Go back to the article you read earlier. In my scenario, it was about methods to earn money online because we really need to implement some of these suggestions for the edited movie. However, you can really animate this text. So if I click animate in the top right corner, you can see all the many things you can use. This platform is great because you can literally customize this text and do a lot of things on here. If you're not happy with the size of your text, you can just highlight it, and then you can just make it smaller or bigger at the top here. It's completely up to you. I want to edit the scene size because the 16 seconds in the upper right corner are too long and we want to make the video a bit shorter. To do this, click up here where you see the scissors and 16 seconds. Then click there and drag it down to the desired length. We're going to change this to 3 seconds right here because we don't want to make the video too long. It should only be about 3 seconds. So that you won't have to keep producing it, if I click right here and choose duplicate, you can see that it has produced exactly the identical scene for me, complete with text, backdrop, and second scene right here. We will go back to the article once more and simply copy the section before returning to the canvas and changing the text. We're going to resize the text size and make it a little bit smaller to fit in the video on the Canva. Then boom, we have our video. We would like to absolutely include our own call to action so that we can get people directed to our affiliate link and earn money online. To do this, if we move over to the left side here and grab the heading once more, I'm going to add a call to action by writing something like, click the link in the bio for the fastest way to earn money online. Then we just resize this and change the color so it stands out. One of the most important pieces of advice is to keep the video under 30 seconds. This is going to encourage people to click on your link. Step 5 is about the final rendering and preview of the video created. To make the video more interesting, you can test out different backgrounds. Get the coolest free image that isn't protected by copyright, so you can use it in your films and upload them anywhere online without having to worry about having them taken down. Simply drag and drop the sound into the video on Canva, and your movie will be instantly improved tenfold. Of course, the better the video, the more money you'll get online. Step 6 is the traffic. There are many various methods you may promote this video, which will then promote your CPA offer. One of the greatest ways is to go to TikTok. This is the primary section of the video that will make us money. TikTok is a popular social networking site, and it's really simple to gain followers. New users can go from having no followers to having 100,000 in less than 60 days. As an illustration, if you look right on TikTok, you will notice users who have added links to their bios. You wish to carry out this action. You're going to add a link to your bio so you can direct videos of this viewer to it, where they will naturally click through to your CPA offer lead. You can repeat the same method for other social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. All you have to do is get your keywords relating to the CPA offers and create exciting videos around them. I hope you really crush it online in your affiliate marketing using this technique. If you want to know how to make money online with Pinterest, then check out our videos above. Thank you guys for watching, and you can learn other ways to make money online on our channel.